Imagine waking up to the soft sound of wind brushing across a quiet lakeside. You open your eyes, and instead of a cramped hotel room, you're surrounded by soft lighting, warm wooden textures, and the gentle comfort of your own moving home. Sunlight pours in through panoramic windows, fresh coffee brews in your kitchen, and the world outside is entirely yours, because your home is wherever you choose to park it. You open your eyes, and instead of a cramped hotel room, you're surrounded by soft lighting, warm wooden textures, and the gentle comfort of your own moving home. Sunlight pours in through panoramic windows, fresh coffee brews in your kitchen, and the world outside is entirely yours. This is not just travel. This is freedom, comfort, and luxury, all on wheels. And today, we're stepping inside one of the finest examples of modern motorhome craftsmanship, the Rapido 8066DF Ultimate Line Exclusive. A luxury RV that doesn't just take you places, but transforms every journey into a 5-star experience, with a self-leveling system and smart hidden features that even some luxury apartments don't have. From the outside, the Rapido 8066DF makes a strong impression. From the outside, the Rapido 8066DF makes a strong impression. Built on a Fiat Ducato or ALKO chassis, it sits confidently on the road with sharp LED headlamps, a sleek grille, chrome accents, and a wide panoramic windshield that gives you the perfect view of the world ahead. It's around 7.49 meters long, which means it's compact enough for winding mountain routes, but still spacious enough to feel like a luxury suite inside. The body is constructed using Rapido's Novatec technology, a wood-free, insulated structure with fiberglass roofing and reinforced walls for better durability, soundproofing, and comfort during summer or winter. And here's where it gets exciting: it has a hydraulic self-leveling system. Imagine arriving at a beach, a sloping field, or a rocky forest ground, and with just one button, the motorhome automatically adjusts itself, becoming perfectly level. No more leveling blocks, no more guessing, just flat, stable living in seconds. Let's step inside. As the entrance door opens, you're welcomed into a bright, airy living space. A large skylight above the cabin floods the area with natural light, while big side windows offer beautiful views of wherever you're parked. The lounge features a luxurious L-shaped sofa with premium upholstery, paired with a swivel dining table that can be adjusted, extended, or moved easily. The driver and passenger seats rotate to become part of this lounge, making it a cozy space for 4 to 5 people to relax or eat together. Now let's move to the kitchen. This is not a small kitchenette squeezed into a corner, it's a beautifully organized, premium cooking space. You get a wide countertop, a 2-burner gas hob with a glass cover, and a deep stainless steel sink. There are soft-close drawers, overhead cabinets, and even smartly designed shelves for spices and utensils. Just beside it is a tall 141-liter automatic fridge with a freezer, and it switches between electricity, battery, or gas depending on your power source. But look closely, above the seating area is a secret. A hidden electric drop-down bed gently lowers from the ceiling when needed. It's a fully sized double bed, neatly tucked away when not in use, giving you extra sleeping space without sacrificing any floor area. Moving on to the bathroom, and this is where Rapido surprises you again. The 8066DF features a 2-part bathroom layout. Step further back, and you enter the master bedroom. 2 extra-wide twin beds sit on either side, but they can easily be converted into one large king-size bed with an additional cushion. Each side has its own reading light, USB charging ports, and overhead storage cabinets. Below the beds, you have more storage compartments for luggage, clothing, or bags. At the end of the bed, sliding wardrobe doors open to reveal hanging space for clothes, shoes, and travel essentials. The Rapido 8066DF Ultimate Line Exclusive is not just a motorhome. It's freedom without compromise. It's waking up to your own view every morning. It's luxury that travels with you, whether you're parked beside a calm lake, under a million stars, or at the edge of a cliff overlooking the ocean. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want to see more luxury RVs, campervans, or travel lifestyle videos, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.